What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the daily. We're going to take a look at the major levels. It looks like that we are getting that bounce from that major support range at that 41.7. We'll be taking a look at the 2 hourly, the 30-minute chart. Yesterday, I placed a long position on the live stream just at these levels, guys. When we were dipping, I was underwater for a few hours, but then finally we did get that massive pump hitting my take profit area. We're going to analyze the situation because you might think, okay, why did we bounce from this level? Why are we continuing to the upside, guys? And like I want to show you, it is pretty simple. We need to go with volume. Volume is higher from this uptrend. We only had high red volume here at the very top, creating this double top. But when the bears are fighting, the volume is going extremely low, and we have multiple attempts here. This is why I placed my long position, because the bears are losing steam and it's very likely that the bulls are going to step in. This is why I placed this long position. We were ready for this potential high probability breakout to the upside. So today we're going to analyze the situation and find some good trading opportunities here for Bitcoin. And we're also going to do a quick analysis on the S&P 500, guys. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe daily today on Bitcoin crypto. Also do live stream to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research, guys. And I want to remind you, if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a Bitcoin giveaway. So make sure to smash up that like button and drop your comment. Guys, let's analyze the situation on the daily, okay? Because we are getting that bounce. Now, are we going to face the next major resistance? Are we going to try and break it in the next coming hours or couple of days, which is that 45.5, 46, just under 46K levels where we did get massively rejected? It looks like that we got this nice bounce. Now, we need to see how we are going to react to that 46K, because depending on how we react, it might be a good shorting opportunity. Remember, we want to short when we are finding resistance and we may be going to get rejected, or we're bouncing from a major support level for a long position. Now, let's analyze the situation here just to keep it simple. Nothing has changed just too much on the daily. We're just getting that bounce from that 41.7 range. And yesterday on the live stream, we were analyzing the situation here as, you know, this is why we react to the price. A lot of questions of, are we going up or are we going down? It doesn't matter. We need to find those levels for potential trading opportunities, and we want to see the reactions of the price at certain levels. This is why we were reacting here. Okay, with Bitcoin, you can see we were hitting multiple times that 41.7 range. Why 41.7? Well, it is a range, okay? We need to add $100 because of volatility. We don't stop at an exact level. Now, the reason why we were bouncing here, we've seen this before. It was a massive major resistance. As you can see, this nice consolidation that we did have, and there was pretty big volume here on this kind of small reaccumulation. So if the price comes down to those levels and we react like this, guys, this is screaming for a potential long opportunity. This means looking at the volume is going extremely low here, attacking this major support level. And this is why I say every single time we need to react to the price. And we can see that the bears are losing steam here. When you see multiple attempts with no volume trying to break this support, this is why it was time. It was time for a potential long position. I was a little bit underwater here for a few hours, but then finally my stop loss was below this major low over here, and we finally got that leg up, guys. If you watched yesterday's live stream, we were looking for the higher probability, and the higher probability was getting that reaction and finally popping to the upside. Now, this has happened. I took profits at that 43.5. Why 43.5? Because I am looking for the next major resistance zone. Now, it looks like we are breaking. You can see that we did get that reaction right there. So it is a good time to take profits. I do not know if we're going to continue to the upside. What I do very likely know is that Bitcoin, any asset, likes to come up and retest the resistance or the support levels, the last lower high or the last higher low, right? So this one was the big major one. This was the take profit area if you were longing from all the way down here. right there. We just hit the target. Absolutely beautiful. Now, your question is, what is going to happen? Where is our next trading opportunity? Well, I'm going to explain to you my game plan here for my scalping, my day trade or small swing trade position here, because you know the deal. I use Prime XBT. It is my favorite for day trading. You got the best deal down below, guys. It's another way to support the channel, but you get 7% added to your deposit. You deposit $10,000, you get in $700 on top of your deposit so you can trade with on Prime XBT. I've got a full tutorial down below also, guys, if you are interested, only for experienced traders. Now, going back here to the Bitcoin price, like I mentioned, what is my next game plan? You must be asking yourself, where's the next reaction to take a trade? Well, I'm going to explain you right away, guys. It looks like that we are potentially zooming in here on the 30-minute chart. Okay, and when I upload the video, we will probably at a different price because this is the 30-minute. This is why I don't like to do very short-term analysis. I like to do it on the live streams. By the way, make sure to subscribe to the channel because on the live streams, we are looking for those scalping positions. So, like I said, it looks like that we regained the biggest point of control from this range. Look at the red horizontal line. Biggest point of control is just right over here at the 43.8 levels. It is also this major resistance zone. You can see a bounce right there as support. So it is a major level. It looks like that we are gaining this area, and we could see BTC driving up to the 45.5k levels in a matter of hours. Maybe in between today and tomorrow, we're just about $1,000 away from this level. So what we want to see in the next coming hours or couple of days, all right, is how we are going to react to this level, because all depending on how we react to this range, remember, be very, very cautious. There's a lot of breakout traders that get stopped out. People will be getting excited if we break $46,000 to $47,000, but this could be a massive big fake out. So all depending on how we react, like I said, I might be looking for a short position right over there. Now, zooming out here on the BTC price, let's go to the 2-hourly chart at least, because I want to show you why there is big resistance. That $46,000 is not the last major resistance zone. Remember, we're coming from a heavy downtrend and there is resistance on a lot of levels, okay? And this is what I want to show you, okay? Zooming out here, I want to show you one of the biggest points of control looking at the VPVR is right over here at the $47,000 range. So it doesn't mean if we do break these highs that we are going to successfully continue to the upside, right? Like I said, biggest point of control is $47,000. So I will be looking very carefully how we react to these levels for a potential short opportunity. Now, I am in a swing long position also on Bybit, but this is a position that I want to hold, for several weeks. Okay, that's just why it is a short, a swing trade position, sorry. So I was planning to add to this position if we were going to lose the 41.5k range and we were going to hit 39. I was going to plan to add because I do see strong support and we are potentially in this new uptrend like I explained. So I wouldn't mind an ABC correction right over here and potentially on this reaction add heavily to my position. This is what I was looking for. We didn't break down, it doesn't matter. The small position swing trade is there and I'm just going to leave it. Depending on what kind of resistance areas we break, I might be adding to my position. Remember, on Bybit, this is my favorite swing trade because the platform, because the fees are really, really low, guys. You also got the best bonus down below, which is up to $4,100 worth of a bonus. Dive in here straight again to Bitcoin. This is my plan, guys. I want to see how we react to this next major big resistance, which is the 46k levels. If we see a lot of multiple wicks over here, multiple attempts, this is telling me that the bulls are losing steam and the bears might heavily step in and make the price come to much lower levels. So that is my game plan here for the next coming hours, couple of days, to see how we are going to attempt and break this next major resistance. So far, so good. We can go here to the 1 hourly. It does look like that BTC will be trying to hit those levels very, very soon by the looks of things. So not much to add here on Bitcoin. We need to be very, very careful because there is a possibility that we won't reach these levels and roll back down. It doesn't matter. What I am looking for, like I said, is how we react to those levels for a potential trade. Looking at the S&P 500, just a quick update, traditional markets. I had a lot of people in the comment section, traditional stocks in a waterfall dropping, and I wasn't too worried at all. I thought that we were going to get a bounce and we weren't going to successfully break this range, and I'm going to explain to you right away. This over here is the daily chart on the S&P 500. Like I showed you, my favorite volume here for now a few weeks is this one of the biggest volumes that we have had on the daily and also on the 4 hourly for months, almost about a year. You know, biggest volume is right over here on the 24th of January. And this is a major volume because we do have a massive big wick. This is the bulls defending this level. So if you create a double top, okay, it's not looking too good here. This is why I was a little bit concerned of this movement, but I wasn't trading the S&P yesterday. But we did get that beautiful bounce. And why did we get that bounce? Like I said, look at the candle right over here. This one over here is just on top at that major big volume. We are getting that bounce right now. Are we going to have enough steam to try and attempt to break this double top? Well, this is something that we need to check in the next coming days, because now we are potentially going to get a small reaction to this range. If you're looking for some scalping positions here on the S&P 500, you can see that. Let's see in the next coming hours to see how we react to this major level, because you might have some kind of reaction here. The bulls are going to lose steam. It is true that volume might be going low. Let's see the market opening, how it reacts to this level. And it might be a shorting opportunity, or depending if we see the bulls having enough steam, guys. This is looking at the S&P 500. I am hoping that we might be able to attempt to hit this kind of double top range, which is at the 4,580 points. Okay, not much to add here. These are the levels that you need to look for positions, right over here. What kind of reaction we're going to have here? Okay, if it breaks or if it has a rejection, we might slice through right here, right now, or depending on how we react to this double top area. Depending on their reaction, it might be a shorting opportunity. This was a long opportunity right over here yesterday. And the reason why, like I said, is because of the major big volume that we did have here. As you can see, major resistance. You can see a little bit of support there after breaking above. This is why you do get that reaction. It's not an exact level, but this is a potential long opportunity, and take profit area is this major consolidation, right? This is how I read the markets, guys. I use support, resistance, and volume mainly, okay? Price action and volume, nothing as powerful as that. Guys, this is going to be it for this quick update. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing a live stream afterwards, so make sure to subscribe. We'll be trying to find some scalping opportunities on PrimeXBT, my favorite day trading platform, guys. So this is going to be it. Check out Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest news and technical analysis ideas here posted every single day. Follow us on Twitter. Also join the Telegram group down below. You can tag me there, ask me some questions. I sometimes join the Telegram group. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.